What up, cool cats? It's your boy Griffin. Today we're going to be making cookies and milk at the same time. I'm just going to get started with the essential ingredients. The essential ingredient number one is going to be your cookies. You're going to need cookies. Also, I'm going to be real with you. You're going to need a generous amount of milk. So let's go to the fridge for that. Check it, dog. Let's get started making some cool milk cookie combos. So we have our milk, we have our cookie. The next thing we're going to need is a plate. Look at that. I have a plate right here. How convenient. We're going to use that son of a gun. We're going to take it. We're going to make, oh yeah. We're going to bake that cookie right onto the plate. Look at that. We have 2 fresh cookies, freshly baked. Well, the next thing we're going to need is a milk plate, also known as a cup. Check it, yo. Let's move that over real quick. And let's get that milk going right into the cup. Hot diggity dog, would you look at that, folks? The next thing you're going to need is a knife. So here's that real quick. All right, the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the cookies and you're going to want to stick them right in the, oh geez. So I'm thinking the logical step right here is to put the cookie in the other way. But it seems like that's not working either. What we're going to do, we're going to try to cut the cookie open a little bit. Sorry, I'm really bad at spreading. Look at that. Check it out, dogs. We got 2 cookies out of 1. So we're gonna just, yeah, look at that. We're gonna let that sit for a few hours. All right, folks, we're back. Hope you didn't get too bored. We're gonna take the cookie out of the milk. Check this out. The next crucial ingredient is gonna be my mouth. So we're gonna, that's just fine and dandy, I gotta say. You know, I'm darn tootin'. I think I'm gonna use the other one for that, you know? Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah, well, gotta make some sacrifices, you know? Alright, look at that. Like a glove. Oh, geez. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you will. Yeah, folks, would you look at that? Yeah. You will. Alright, we have a second half of the cookie. Geez, I don't know what we're gonna do with this part, so you know, if you wanna decide what we're gonna do with the second half of the cookie, if you wanna leave a comment down below on how I should use the second half of the cookie, I would greatly appreciate that, and that'd be really cool. I think you should do that. As for that though, I hope this lesson has been informative for all y'all. Thank you so much for watching, cool cats. Keep it real, and I'll see you the next time around on Griffin's Kitchen. I love you all. I really do. I love you. I love you with all of my heart. I love you. I love you. I love you so much.